In this video, we'll take a look at Moomoo, Webull, and Robinhood to see which one is better out of these three. So here we have a list with different key features from each one. So here we have Moomoo. Now, as you can see, they have high cash sweep API. So basically they have a 5.1% API through their cash sweep program. Now here you have free access to real-time data, fractional shares, so you can buy $1 worth of shares. Then you have custom stock screener and no options contract fee. So you can skip contract fees on equity options, while index option will be subject to a 50% contract fee. Now, as you can see, the fees for Moomoo, as you can see, they offer commission-free investing for US stocks and ETFs, but you'll face fees if you trade through the Hong Kong stock market. And this is how it's gonna look like. So this is the interface for the Moomoo app. Now here we have the Robinhood top features. So they have high cash API reserved for Robinhood Gold. Now this card, it's only invited based, so you can get it right away. Then they have this Robinhood retirement, so you can earn up to a 1% match for every dollar you contribute toward retirement, and again fractional shares. Now as you can see here, it's the same. So they offer commission-free investing for stocks, ETFs, and options, and basically the company earns money through their subscription-based Robinhood Gold account. And this is how the app looks. Then we have Webull. Now, as you can see, Webull users can tap into over 50 indicators and 20 charting tools. They also offer fractional shares, and there are no contract fees for trading stocks and ETF options on Webull. Now, as you can see, they also offer free trade for stocks, but you'll pay a 1% point spread on both sides of a crypto trade. And this is how the app look. So if you're looking for something simple, I really recommend you going with Robinhood. And if you want something more advanced, you should choose Webull. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.